Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic and Binance US listing. Now remember that when Terra Classic got listed, okay, on Binance, that month Terra Classic was able to hit about 66% increase in price. Yes, they surged by 66%. Because Binance is a big company. Binance is a big force in the crypto industry. They can push so many coins to increase. Okay, so Terra Classic benefited then, hitting 66% increase when Binance listed this coin. Now, what we are talking about right now is if Binance US, though Binance US is, I know that they cannot really push Terra Classic just like the way Binance did when they actually listed Terra Classic. But there is going to be a positive impact. There's going to be a benefit. There's going to be a change on Terra Classic for people that invested on this coin. Because I believe that, yes, if Terra Classic keep on increasing, if Terra Classic rises, with Binance supporting this, and imagine Binance US listing Terra Classic again, I believe we are going to see a positive impact. Okay, so because remember, so many crypto coins are being traded in the America. So many crypto coins, they have most of their market cap coming from America. So that is why you can see Binance US have been on the news recently about Binance US listing in Terra Classic, and so many people believe that there's a possibility that this deal, this is going to happen, this listing is going to happen, this partnership is going to happen, because Binance are fully supporting Terra Classic. Yes, Binance founder CZ, he is fully backing this coin despite what this coin is facing, despite the drop, despite what happened. You can see CZ is still backing this coin, and with his backing, anything can happen at any moment. So I believe that, yes, there's a probability that Terra Classic can still tomorrow hit and massively start rising back again. So Binance are not giving up, and I believe listening on Binance US, there's a possibility that Terra Classic will get itself on Binance US. But before then, let's just watch. Let's wait patiently. But if you want to invest what you can afford to lose. That is the golden rule. Remember, that's our golden rule here. Once again, thank you for stopping by.